So if you had to give one piece of business advice to someone that was looking to use Odoo or to start using Odoo for their business, what would you say?
So far, I think for a startup company, who is the real one? Because if you start and is using something that you think very easy for users, like whiteboard, a lot of business they use whiteboard now, and Excel for estimation, and then later on, 2 or 3 years later, you grow up, then you find a lot of platform, you have to migrate again. Maybe the same cost for you to use the whiteboard and manual work, but the same cost for you to start using Odoo, maybe only with 1 or 2 users. And then when you grow, you can go to grow with you, then you have to do again migration or re-implement any process.
So it's interesting that you just mentioned whiteboards, Excel sheets as well, for example. What were you doing before you decided to move home? How was everything, I guess you could say, discombobulated, or what were the issues that brought you to the stage where you thought, okay, we need to change this something?
I remember we started design and show have a quality check in the paperwork and maybe in the Excel file. And one of the requirements we doesn't have at that time is about like how can we keep that one. And then we make decision to integrate the Google's spreadsheet with Odoo manufacturing so that they can still do the same job like they do before without like a stopping.
Yeah, I guess we were using multiple programs. We were using Excel, we were using Google Spreadsheets, we were using probably way too many products. But I guess the biggest thing is we were backfilling the information to try and get it as correct as possible. As in, what we have now is something that has real-time data that is feeding that information through to us.